Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna learn aptitude topic. Okay, so here today I will be teaching the aptitude. Today's topic is on time and work. Okay, so now let's begin. So wait a second. So time and work. So now let's begin with the formulas. Okay, the time and work consists of two types of formulas. So first one is when the work is given. So with work. When the work is given in the question means you have to use this formula P1 H1 D1 equal to W1 by P2 H2 D2 should be equal to W2. So here the P1 is the persons, P is the person and H is the hours, D is the days and W is for work. So if the work is given in the question means you have to use this formula. This is first step, and the second one is when the work is not given. So without work means how you will be writing. So you will be writing without work. So how? Now let's see. So P1 H1 D1 should be equal to P2 H2 D2. Okay, so this is how you will be using the two formulas. Again, same here also, P is the person, H is for the hour and D is for the days. Okay, these are the two types of formulas. So I hope now you understood. Now let's begin with an example, a practice problem. So first I'll be giving a problem. So here the problem begins with painting a wall. 24 men can paint a 480-meter wall in 12 days. Okay. Next, also they are working for 6 hours per day. Okay. So now you have to find how many men will be required to paint a 300-meter wall in how many days? In 10 days. Okay. So next, working 8 hours per day. Okay. So this is the question. So here now I'll be choosing so this is the question. So now here you have to solve this. So first you have to keep in mind, understand the question. So what all they have given here? They have given the person P1, men is the person. Next, what is W? That is 480 m wall. What is this? They can paint a 480 meter wall means this is work. Okay, this is W1. Next they have given the days as D1, that is next for hours also they have given. So you can able to see from the given, you see work is given. So if work is given mean I have told to use this formula, right? The first one, P1 into H1 to D1 should be equal to W1 by P2 H2 D2 is equal to W2. So the next part of the half of the question they have given how many men. You have to find this. What is this men? I have told it as P, person. So it is P2 will be required to paint 300. What is this work? Okay, so W2 in how many days? They have given the D as 10 days and in hours. This is what H2. Okay, so now you have found what are all the formula. So now you have to apply the formula here. So you will be using the first formula, right? So P1 H1 D1 equal to W1 by P2 H2 D2 equal to W2. Okay, so this is the formula here. So now you have to apply the formula of the given value. So what is P1 here? P1 is 24. So 24 into next hour. Hour is what is hour? They have given it as H1. You should not take and write the second hour. First you have to complete the first. So 6. 6 into, what is the day? They have given the day as 12 and time work is 480. So 12 equal to 480. Okay, next they have given P2 only you have to find. Next P2 into 8 into 10. P2 into 8 into 10. Always keep in mind here hour comes before the day. Okay, don't get confused. Here the work is how many are they have given the 300. So the second step has been classified, so we got like this. So after applying the formula, what you have to do, you have to simplify this right side. Okay, so how to simplify this? So first you have to write it separately, 480 by 300. Now what you can do, you can able to cancel the zeros, right? So remaining 48 by 30. So the both numbers will be goes common in which table? 6 table, right? So you have to divide the both in 6 table. So 48 6 and 30 in 6. Okay, so how many times 48? So here it goes 8 into 6 48. So here 5 times it will go 30. Okay, in 6 steps. So we got for 48 8. Next for 30 we got 5. So you have simplified this and you have changed into 8 by 5. Now this work is done. So now you have to write this left side as same, only the right side you have to write it as, instead of 480 by 300 you have to write it as 8 by 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the same. So 24 into 6 into 12 divided by P2 into 8 into 10. Okay, nothing but I have applied the same, I have written the same thing here, 8 by 5. Okay, now you have simplified the right side. Now next you have to simplify the left side, so separately. So you have to simplify 24 into 6. How much? $144. $144 into 12. How much you are getting? So 2 1. So here you have got 1728. So 1728, the remaining I'm writing it as P2 into 8 into 12. What answer we got? 8 by 5. So next what you have to do, you have to simplify this one, right? So 8 into 10, it will be of 80, right? So 1728 divided by P2 into 8 into 10, that is 80, equal to 8 by 5. So now it will go some cross multiplication. So 1728 into 5 equal to 8 into P2 into 80. So you have to simplify this, that's it. Okay, so 1728 into 5, how much? So it's showing 8 6 40. Okay, so 8 6 40. So here the P2 value 80 into 8, how much? 640. Okay, so here we are getting it as 6, nothing but here I have simplified this. Okay, I have multiplied the values, okay, into P2. So now you have to find how many times of 640 gives 8640. So dividing 640 into how much gives 8640, this will be the answer. So 14 times. Okay, so 14 times. Okay, so you are getting the value that is between 13 and 14. So 14. So here we have found 14 persons are needed to paint 300-meter wall in how many days? 10 days and 8 hours per day. Okay, so if the men increases means the days will be decrease. Okay, and the hours also will be reduced. If the men decreases means the days will be increased and hours will be increased. Okay, so I hope now you understood. The answer for this question is 14. Okay.